Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm bringing you guys day 28 of Vlogust. If you guys don't know, I am the face and the voice behind all the content under Infiniti Crafting Co. So anytime you see that name on the web, it is me. And today is going to be a really chill day. Again, this is my second chill day. I know yesterday my video was super late uploading. I apologize. I took a late nap and then my video decided to take longer than normal to render. So that was fun, but I was glad that I was able to get it up last night. Today I just want to talk about, current projects and what I've been up to. I guess you guys kind of know what I've been up to. It's been Vlogust, so I've been kind of going through that every day. But mostly I have been working on school assignments. So like you guys know, school started for me Monday, and it's been interesting. I think this first week, it's easy. I know it's gonna pick up, but it's pretty easy. One of my classes, the very first thing we had to do was look at this documentary, and I have just been dragging it out. I have 20 minutes left. I've been watching it since I want to say Wednesday. So it's now Friday, and I'm almost through it. It was only an hour and 48 minutes, but if you don't want to watch something, you know how it just takes forever for it to go by. But anyway, while I've been torturing myself with documentaries that I don't particularly, I would not have chosen this documentary for myself. Like, it's very informational, it's very insightful, but I would not have just randomly picked that out to watch. I don't know. It's just one of those things. But anyway, I have been knitting my butt off. So this has been a full week of knitting for me. I've been working on my plumb bob tutorial. I've yet to advance that anymore from the other day, but maybe later on this evening, once I pep up again, I'll probably dive back into recording that. I don't know how long it's going to end up being, because there's so many parts and takes that I have done to that video already. So I am interested to know. And a lot of times when I edit my videos, I tend to check the timestamp to see when all my footage is in Premiere Pro. I look and see the timestamp. So say something started out at 58 minutes. If I'm able to hack that down to 30 minutes, I'm super happy. So we're gonna see where this pattern goes as far as time, but hopefully it's a video that I can make up and everybody will enjoy. I have been mainly working on my dress. It's still going. I know I haven't posted good pictures of it recently, but I have come down on the skirt more than I had before, and I'm really excited for this. So what was it, yesterday or the other day, I posted this meme on my Instagram page, and I was like, you know what, I had a lot of expectations for my 20s, but I realized that evening the highlight of it was that I outbid some people for some yarn on Etsy, and it was great. I don't know why that felt so great, but I was really happy to get the yarn because, again, this yarn, this Kai baby yarn, never ever in stock. And then when I asked about it on Michael's, I heard that it won't be restocked. I hope that's not true, because I really like this, but I was able to find this yarn on Etsy, and I was able to snatch it up really quickly, which was great. I was glad I was able to snatch that up so fast. And hopefully I'll be able to finish my dress with those 3 skeins that I bought. What I have so far is almost 4 skeins. This is all I have left of my last skein. So hopefully, hopefully those last 3 will do me, which they should, I'm thinking, because knitting, like I said, it draws out longer to me. It uses less yarn at one time, but to me it looks like you can get more progress out of 1 skein as opposed to crocheting. Probably true, who knows. Anyway, I'm really excited. And then maybe I'm thinking I'll knit the sleeves on here. I hadn't fully decided yet, but seeing how it worked up when I attached the knitting to the crochet across here, it gave me that little ridge. You guys can see that. Gave me that little ridge, so I'm thinking that's kind of the effect that I want for up here, and I could crochet that and kind of crochet in the back loop, but I don't know, I kind of want the knitting to match up, so I might actually knit my sleeves on here. I'm going to experiment with that because I've never knitted sleeves. I've never knitted a sweater. I've crocheted sweaters, but I've never knitted one, so that would be kind of interesting, kind of an interesting experience. I also want to make up more of my patches, which I feel like as the semester goes on with these classes, I will be knitting quite often. Quite often. I know there's a few tutorials that I still need to record for the upcoming weeks, but I think for the most part I'll probably be knitting those patches, which is perfect, which is so perfect because class gets interesting. Class gets so interesting. And I know I bring it up a lot, but I am just really, really excited to be pursuing my bachelor's degree. I am excited about it. I'm proud of myself for making it this far and sticking to things and just trying to be mildly successful with my goals. So yeah, I tend to bring stuff up a lot. Forgive me. I don't really have a whole lot for today. Today is a chill day as well. I'm going to aim to have this video up at the normal time. Hopefully technology will comply with me this to go around. Oh, also, I went scrolling through my comments and I saw where I had one of you to recommend maybe that I changed up the titles a little bit on my playlist. So my crochet stitch tutorials, when I first started crocheting on the channel, I just had the playlist named Stitches. Because that's all I was doing was crochet. But recently I changed it to crochet stitches, so it's no longer confusing. So I really appreciate that recommendation. And I'm sorry it took me so long to see that. I feel so bad whenever YouTube doesn't give me my comments right away, my comment notifications, because it ends up being like months later before I see them, and it makes me feel sad because I don't want people to feel like I'm ignoring them. But anyway, that's a little minor change that I have done on the channel, and I hope it's helpful. I hope it's helpful. But yeah, that's all I have for today. Today is not a super long day. I'm gonna go edit and knit, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.